What's up, guys? It's Pat Wins here, and look outside for something magical. It's called pouring rain. I don't like it. Here, let's get a way better view, folks. If you guys can't see that, then, sorry. Just wanted to vlog because it just all of a sudden started raining for no apparent reason. That leaf was spiraling down. Affecting everyone, you're quite the problem. Sorry, I'm just singing songs because that's what I like to do. Hashtag rainy day. In the comments, I want all you guys to just say, hashtag rainy day. Sucks, doesn't it? I can't say copyright issues. I hate copyright. Okay, leave in the comments below if you hate copyright. Also, leave in the comments below if you guys prefer me to do shorter videos or if you want me to do like 30-minute videos, which I will tend to try to do. But yeah, leave that in the video below. And well, yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace. Yeah.